Happy morning, students. Welcome to grade 6, day 14, English reading and writing class. Children, take your honeysuckle book, lesson 3, Taro's Reward, that is page number 30. The last class we have practiced up to 3 paragraphs. Now let's practice from 4th paragraph. So listen carefully, children. Take your honeysuckle book, page number 30, that is lesson 3, Taro's Reward. It is a prose. Now look at the 4th paragraph, children. I'll read once, listen carefully, and then you have to repeat along with me. So listen carefully, children. Next morning, Taro jumped out of bed earlier than usual and made his way to the forest. He chopped and cut as the sun climbed, and soon he was so warm that he had to take off his jacket. His mouth was dry and his face was wet with sweat. My poor old father, he thought, if only he was as warm as I. Now repeat along with me, children. Read louder. Next morning, Taro jumped out of bed earlier. E-A-R-L-I-E-R. Earlier. Jumped out of bed earlier than usual. And made his way to the forest. He chopped. C-H-O-P-P-E-D. Chopped. He chopped and cut as the sun climbed. C-L-I-M-B-E-D. Climbed. As the sun climbed. And soon he was so warm that he had to take off his jacket. J-A-C-K-E-T. Jacket. His mouth was dry and his face was wet with sweat. S-W-E-A-T. Sweat. My poor old father, he thought, if only he was as warm as I. Now look at the next sentence, children. And with that, he began to chop even faster, thinking of the extra money he must earn to buy the shake to warm the old man's bones. Now repeat along with me, children. And with that, he began to chop even faster, thinking of the extra money he must earn to buy the shake to warm the old man's bones. Then suddenly, Taro stopped chopping. C-H-O-P-P-I-N-G. Chopping. Then suddenly, Taro stopped chopping. What was that sound he heard? Could it possibly be rushing water? Taro could not remember ever seeing or hearing a rushing stream in that part of the forest. He was thirsty. The axe dropped out of his hands and he ran in the direction of the sound. Now repeat along with me, children. Taro could not remember ever seeing or hearing a rushing, R-U-S-H-I-N-G, rushing stream in that part of the forest. He was thirsty, T-H-I-R-S-T-Y, thirsty. He was thirsty. The axe dropped out of his hands and he ran in the direction of the sound. Now look at the next paragraph, children. Taro saw a beautiful little waterfall hidden behind a rock. Kneeling at a place where the water flowed quietly, he cupped a little in his hands and put it to his lips. Was it water or was it shake? He tasted it again and again. and always it was the delicious shake instead of cold water. Now repeat along with me, children. Taru saw a beautiful little waterfall hidden behind a rock. Kneeling, K-N-E-E-L-I-N-G, kneeling at a place where the water flowed quietly, he cupped a little in his hands and put it to his lips. Was it water or was it shake? He tasted it again and again, and always it was the delicious, D-E-L-I-C-I-O-U-S, delicious shake instead, I-N-S-T-E-A-D, instead of cold water. Look at the 7th paragraph, children. Taru quickly filled the pitcher he had with him and hurried home. The old man was delighted with the shake. Now repeat along with me, children. Taru quickly filled the pitcher, P-I-T-C-H-E-R, pitcher. Taru quickly filled the pitcher he had with him and hurried home, H-U-R-R-I-E-D, hurried home. The old man was delighted, D-E-L-I-G-H-T-E-D, delighted with the shake, S-A-K-E, shake. After only one swallow of the liquid, he stopped shivering and did a little dance in the middle of the floor. Again repeat, children. After only one swallow, S-W-A-L-L-O-W, one swallow of the liquid, he stopped shivering, S-H-I-V-E-R-I-N-G, shivering, and did a little dance in the middle of the floor, So children, practice up to this 7 paragraphs, that is from 4th paragraph to 7th paragraph. Read well, practice it well. Children, take your handwriting book, that is page number 9. The last class we have practiced the small letter H. Now let's practice the next letter, that is small letter K. First mention the date, children, that is today's date. You have to write it 30/9/2021. Mention the date, children. After mentioning the date, you have to draw a line in between each letter. So this is very important, children. Whether if it is given this as a stroke, also you have to draw the line in between each letter or in between each stroke. And then look at this small letter K, how it is mentioned here. The same way, with the help of this dotted line, there is a tracing line, you have to practice first. So start from here, children. This is the starting point of the small letter K. From the third line, slightly it should go above, slanting line should go above, and then bend, come down, touch this point, again go above, put a knot like this here, and then come down and then go above. This is a small letter K. One more time listen, children. I am writing here. Start from here, go above, see, bend here, come down, then again go above, bend down, come here, and then it should slide above, it should go slide above. One more time listen, children. Start from here, go above, then bend down like this, go above, see, likewise. This is small letter K. So likewise you have to do the practicing for tracing. After completing the tracing, you have to go by the next line. So look at me how I am writing. Starting from here, go above, bend down, come here, touch this point, again go above, see, come down, see, this is small letter K. One more time I am writing, children. Start from here, go above, bend down, come here, and then put a knot like this, come down. So this is small letter K. Look at me, children. Come down. You should start from here. This is the starting point. See, small letter K. Likewise you have to practice and then go by the next line. So look at me. Start from here, go above, come down, and then bend here, again come down, go above. This is small letter K. So likewise you have to practice, children. This is very important. Concentrate on your writing. This is small letter K. The next page, children, that is See, the stroke is given here. So in between each stroke, first you have to draw the line. So you have to draw the line and then you have to do the tracing, children. So start from here, the stroke, this is the stroke. So start from this second line, slight line or slanting line you have to draw first, and then have a small bend, again go above. You should not touch this second line. Here this two lines should join here. This is the joining point of this two lines. So again start from here, slight bend, go above. The same way you should go above. See, look at this stroke. See, it is easy only. So you can practice this stroke. After completing this tracing line, you can go by the next line to do the tracing, that is the stroke. Start from here, come down, then bend here, a small bend must be there, go above. Again one more time, children, start from here, the second line you have to start, come down up to the third line, and then this is the touching point. This two lines should be touch here. So one more time, listen, see, look at me how I am writing. Again look at this, the next line. After completing this line, go for the next line. Should start from this second line, come down, slight bend, then go above. Again look at me, children, start from here, go above. Again look at me. So this is the procedure to do the stroke. So first you have to draw the line and then only you have to do the tracing. After completing the tracing, you have to practice the next two lines. So children, take your honeysuckle book, page number 30 and then 31. Practice from 4th paragraph to 8th, that is the 7th paragraph. Read well, pronounce it properly, open your mouth and read, spell it and read. After completing your reading practice, take your handwriting book, take page number 9, the small letter K, and then page number 10, the first stroke. You have to practice well, children. First mention the date and then draw a line in between each stroke, then do the tracing. After that you have to do the next two lines. So do it carefully, children. Mention the date and write it. Write it neatly, children. After completing your handwriting, take a photocopy and send it to me. Thank you.